Have you ever wondered why the exact formula for your daily Coca-Cola has remained hidden from the world since 1886? Today we reveal the story of one of history's most guarded trade secrets. It all began in 1886 when Dr. John S. Pemberton invented Coca-Cola in Atlanta, keeping the formula unwritten and shared only with a tiny circle of trusted associates to protect its value. In 1892, businessman Asa Candler purchased the rights and became the sole proprietor, cementing a culture of secrecy that would evolve into one of the most jealously guarded trade secrets in the entire world. To maintain this mystery, the company locked the original recipe in a secure vault in Atlanta, reportedly using it only once every few years to ensure that no single individual could ever replicate the formula. While we may have found a way to recreate the original taste and made our own batch, the company has historically used clever tricks, like rebranding Coke 2 in 1990, to keep the public guessing about their true ingredients. This extreme caution allows Coca-Cola to control its brand identity completely, ensuring that even if competitors know some ingredients, the unique blend remains unreplicable and protects their top-selling sugar cola status. Ultimately, the formula is a physical object locked away in a vault, serving as a powerful symbol of corporate strategy that has kept America's favorite drink mysterious for over a century. So the secret is real, locked away in an Atlanta vault. What other famous trade secrets should we try to crack next? Let me know your favorite mysteries in the comments.